In this video, I will show you how to install and use HTML form to Google Sheet add-on. First, you have to create a new Google Sheet, and there you have to click on Extensions, Add-on, Get Add-ons. Now you are in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, search for HTML form to sheet. HTML form to sheets. So you will come up with this add-on, HTML form to sheets add-on by CodeAddon. So here, this is the add-on. So with this, you can do these kind of things like getting responses from a HTML form and lot of things. So first, you have to install this. When installing, it will ask for your permission. So you have to grant these permissions by following Google authentication. Next, it will install, and then you can click on next and done button. Now it's installed. Let's see how to use it. So click on extensions. Now you see this HTML form to Google Sheets add-on menu, and then click the show sidebar. Then it will show the sidebar. Wait for the loading history. Now you will see this history. So first you can see a link, and there is a HTML code called HTML form code. So what is these two? So first option is the link. So with the link, you can connect your existing form with this sheet, with this add-on. If you don't have a existing HTML form, you can copy this code and you will have a pre-built HTML form. So you don't need to do any coding. But if you are using this link with your existing form, you have to make sure the action link is correct and the form submission type is post method. So I copied the form. Now I go to codepen.io to show you an example. So if you are doing this with your website, you have to paste this code in your website HTML code. So then when you paste this HTML code into your website, you will see this form. Now let's do a test. Let's fill some the information. Then I can show you how this works. So I type some dummy email and dummy name and some text. So we are working on this add-on. So we are working on the next version of this add-on. With that, we will give you so many features. So stay tuned with us. And make sure give us your feedback. So after you submit this form, it will show you this form submission successful history. So in the next version, you can add your own successfully submitted page for this. So here you can see the submitted data has come to the Google Sheet. So you can add some headings in the Google Sheet, so you can manage this. Also, you can create this create a table inside Google Sheet, so you can manage this information accurately. In the next version, we will add a feature that automatically add these headers and organize the data in headers automatically. So stay tuned with us. In the next version, you will have a lot of features that blow your mind. So you can reach out to us to suggest features. So then we will add those features in the next version. And this is our templates. So if you have a email newsletter, for the email newsletter, you can collect your emails with this kind of form, or if you have a contact form, you can use this contact form. And we are working on new designs to add to this template section, so you can use variety of things, pop-ups and dialog boxes, etc. So we will add more templates there, and you can use this. Go to our website or click the suggest features, then you can suggest your features. So stay tuned with us. Try our add-on with this simplest version. So hope you enjoyed the video and learn how to use it, and see you with the next version.